So we have to show that direction of vector E is normal to the equipotential surface. That we have already mentioned yesterday. Suppose this is a unit positive charge, this is a point positive charge, okay, Q. Then if we consider this as center and take radius of small r, at all the points at distance small r are lying on this circle. Okay? And electric field is also in this direction. We know that at all the points, suppose A, B, we know that VA equals to VB equals to whatever points we consider, it will be KQ by R. So they all are called having equal potential. So this surface is called equipotential surface. On equipotential surface, electric field is perpendicular to the surface at every point. That we have mentioned yesterday. But let us assume that if electric field is not perpendicular to the surface, then what will happen? Okay? That is not the case, but let us consider like that. Okay? Suppose here electric field is in this direction. We know that actually it is in this direction. But if we consider like this, in that case, this electric field will have two components. Okay? One component this direction and another in this direction. Now this direction, that is, we say, let us go like this. This is tangent and this is perpendicular to the surface. This is not the case actually, no? But let us consider like that. In that case, here, due to this electric field, there will be some work due to this parallel component to the surface. Okay, means if we want to move a unit charge from one point to another point on equipotential surface, the work will be non-zero. Because this component is not zero, so work will be non-zero. If we consider like this, which is not the case, okay? Actually we know that, see, work done, we know that delta V potential difference equals to work required to move unit positive charge, so W equals to Q delta V. But we know that delta V is 0 for all the points because VA equals to VB, and so work is 0. So this is not the case. So this is wrong assumption. Okay? So here work is 0. So E dl cos theta is 0. That is why cos theta is 0. That's why theta equals to pi by 2. So electric field is always perpendicular to the surface at all the points. Okay? Now these are the characteristics of equipotential surface. Okay? It offers us an alternative usual picture in addition to the picture of field lines. Means field lines also give us a picture that if field lines are closer, field is stronger, like that. Okay, similarly, if the equipotential surfaces are closer at less distance, equipotential surfaces are at less distance, in that area field is stronger. And if they are far away, the field is weak. And if they are at equal distances, field is uniform. Okay, so it gives us the alternate picture of electric field. Okay, so these 2 points, okay, offers an alternate visual picture in addition to the picture of field lines. These surfaces are near in strong field, okay, near in strong field, far in weak field, and equal distances in uniform field. And no work is done moving a test charge over any point, from any point to any other point on the equipotential surface. And E is always normal to the equipotential surface. Okay? And two equipotential surfaces can never intersect. Okay? We have just summarized, okay, what we discussed in this topic. Okay? You can take screenshot. Okay? Take screenshot. Okay? Bye.